Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use Chroma key in Capcut for PC. So the Chroma key button or options can be found in the video, and also you will go to cutout and you'll find the Chroma key options. It usually used to remove a certain color in your video. For example, you want to remove the green screen from a video, you can use Chroma key, and I'm going to show you how you can use that. So here is the video that I imported, and I want to add this subscribe button to the video. So I need to make it as an overlay. So I'm going to drag it at the top to the top like this, and then if I want to remove this green screen, I need to click on the video first and then go to cutout and click on the chroma key. I need to turn these options, and here I'm going to click the color picker, and you need to drag the color picker into the green screen. So just with one click like that, and you can just need to adjust the strength of the chroma key. You can see you just need to swipe it to the right, and also the shadow, and the green screen will be disappear just like that. And you can just adjust the size. For example, I want to put it in here so that the video will look like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can use Chroma key in Capcut for PC. That is all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also click thanks below. See you at the next tutorial. Bye!